What's up, people? The name is Sky and welcome to my YouTube channel. For this video, I will be showing you how to make my lazy 3-ingredient garlic pasta. So dahil nga lazy siya, hindi ko na masyadong papatagalin itong aking introduction. And without further ado, let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients that you'll need to make our garlic pasta, aside from the pasta itself. First, let's prepare our garlic. So in this recipe, we're going to be using a lot of garlic. That's why this is perfect for those who loves to eat garlic just like me. Eating garlic is actually very good for you because it contains very strong antibacterial properties. But aside from that, it could give out plenty of health benefits. Although, it is still not advisable to eat too much garlic because it could still give out some harmful effects. In a frying pan, pour in your extra virgin olive oil and set it to medium heat. And then add the garlic. You can add a little bit more olive oil if necessary. Next, add the dried basil. You can also add more basil if necessary. Once you see that the garlic is about to turn brown, turn off the heat and set it aside. Now it's time to cook our pasta. Generously add salt into a pot of water and bring it to a boil. Once the water is boiling, throw in your linguine pasta, but you can use any kind of pasta, whichever you like. Cook the linguine pasta for 6 to 7 minutes. And then, reserve at least 1 cup of the pasta water because we'll use it to make the sauce later. And then, just add the pasta into the frying pan that we used earlier. And then gradually add the pasta water that we reserved earlier. Take note that we don't have to use all of the pasta water that we reserved, just until we achieve our desired consistency. Make sure that you mix everything well. And then season with salt and pepper. And then of course, you know it, mix it again. And we're done! Now this part is optional, but you can also add some Parmesan cheese on top.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and the bell buttons in my channel. And if you have any questions regarding the recipe in this video, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments down below. That's it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Just a reminder, smile to make your day brighter. This is Kai signing off, and I hope you all have an awesome day.